Okay, now we'll look at how can a extension take part in the footer. So we want to add a tab to the footer here, and in our case what we'll do is we'll just have a log of jokes. So every time that a joke has been told, it will be in the joke log file. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to add a new page. Again, this can be any page. We will use web components, so I'll have a web component page, again with an icon and a title, and then it links to a component. And then to add it to the footer, we'll need a footer build item, a footer page build item. And then we obviously need to produce it, so we'll add a producer at the top here. And this actually now shows the 3 places where you can take part in, either in a card or the menu or the footer. And they all follow the same pattern. You add pages to it, and yeah, again, this extension name is important. So that should be enough. Let's quickly look at how the log file looks like. If we go here, in our case we're going to stream the log, so the log needs a method that is going to stream, which is this one here, joke log. So we need to add joke log to our JSON RPC service. So in our service we need a new broadcaster here, like that. And now we just need to make it available so that we can get it, and we called it get log. So we will add it somewhere here, which just returned that joke log. And now we just need to add to it every time a joke gets told, so we can just probably add it here. No, not that one, this one. Okay, so that should be enough that the joke should start streaming down with this method, and we will get it. So let's see how that looks like. Okay, so we've rebuilt. We are waiting for the connection, but we can probably just refresh, and there already you can see the joke log, and every time a joke gets created we'll get something in the log. Another thing to note about the log is, let me move myself, so these icons here, you'll see that all the logs has got icons there. There's an easy way to get those icons and to add to those icons. So there's a controller called log controller that's available, and the reason is that this component actually lives just below this line. So to be able to contribute to icons in the header of the log, you need to use this log controller, and the log controller, you'll just initiate it with your component name, passing yourself in, because we need to pass events back, and then you can add things to it. You've got a toggle, you've got items, follow the log, so this will happen automatically that you can follow the log, and you can create some more of these, and you then pass it the callback, like in the case of the clear log, we will clear the log by calling clear log, right, and so on. So that's just an easy way to add things to the header here. Okay, that's footers.